I'm going to show you how easy it is to animate fire using Aseprite for pixel art. Now, when I first started learning how to make pixel art, I tried to make props for my platform game that I wanted to make before I learned how to make pixel art. And I thought it'd be kind of cool to show you how I did it back in the day. Now, obviously, there are probably a lot better ways to do it, but I'm just going to show you a quick, simple way by just doing it in 4 frames. So I've already made fire, and you can find fire sprites pretty much anywhere online. This is just one that I created back in the day. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to delete this part. I'm going to have onion skin turned on, and I'm just going to trace the outline of my onion skin and start adding pixels. And I'm just kind of picturing where fire dancing. Take my darker red. Start mixing my oranges in. And then my yellows. And then my lightest color. Add and then for the little sparks, I'm just gonna go up 1. Add them wherever is where I think they're going to be, and then just change the color. Give it some vert. And then I'm gonna add. Alright, so that's 2 frames. So we're gonna go ahead and move on to the second or third. Same thing. I'm just gonna go grab that. I'm gonna grab these pixels. Delete it again. And then, you know what? I'm gonna do as well. 1. And then I'm gonna take my red. Go all the way to the base of the torch. Like that. Grab my other shade. And then just start filling it. Maybe take my orange, a little hook. And a little bit too. There we go. Looks better. And then just fill it my color. And just start adding shade. There you go. And then for the little sparks, again, I'm just moving them 1 pixel over. And these can be just random places, honestly. Orange, that I like. And then for the last frame, we're gonna go ahead and pretty much do the same thing. But what I want is I actually want this to expand out. Now, when I made this prop originally, I was making my platformer for my slime avatar, since that's my main protag. But then I realized I really did not know what I was doing. So before I get into game design or game art, I want to at least learn how to make, pixel art. Go ahead and do this like this. Just start again, just filling it out. I think I'll do this. Make it a little bit taller. There we go. Better. And then I can then. Oh, wrong color. Go. And then again, just add the little sparks and just change the color. And there you go. A simple, quick fire animation for your dungeon scenes or whatever. Now, obviously, I could probably add a little bit more flames, make it a little bit more dynamic, but this is a quick, simple way how to do a simple fire animation. If you like this type of content, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys.